Facts about Zubeen Garg Part 2. Zubeen Garg not only a singer but he was also a good actor, and he also performed and he also acted on several films like Monsai, Mission China, Kanchanjunga, and Mission China was a huge box office hit in Assam in 2017. And Zubeen is also a socially active person. He was very helpful and kind-hearted person too. He was deeply connected with Assamese culture and folk music. He has a strong fan base that is called Zubeen Garg Fan Club, and it is very much popular in northeastern region of India. He is also known as a rock star of Northeast, and he is married to Garima Garg. Zubeen started his singing at the age of 3 years old when he started singing, and he recorded 38,000 plus songs in his lifetime, and he died at the age of 52. And also he recorded in 40 different languages. It's a very huge success for him and also for our Assamese culture. Loved by the fans because he is down to earth attitude. He was very down to earth. His last interview or podcast was with Rita Chaudhary. I can give the link of that podcast to you. Thank you.